many kinds of methods in order to be able to persuade she to read and also to solve any kinds of questions in the lesson. I really recommend the book. If you would like to borrow that book, you can see in Rumah Baca FMP. After the most important thing that the teacher cannot assess the ability of the student by score. Yes, by the results of the score of examination or quiz. But we also have to assess. We also have to appreciate when she can help her friends. Yeah, her or his friends can joining in a group and community in her class.
So do you assess your students by that also, by the indicators?
It could be part of psychomotor.
Do you have like specific reports on the students?
Yeah, if you would like to see the report of our students, there's a point.
Jualan sekolah.
7 habits. Yeah. We enforce our students to be not only better in score, but also become a cute human being for the future. After educating
Listen.